Good morning. It's day 16 of the LD Vid 30 challenge, and today is the first of two parts I want to do, just looking at 6 different ideas or things to consider when making videos yourself. And I sort of developed these tips about 18 months ago while doing some videos at work and trying to encourage other people to make their own content as well and post it up to Jive, which is our enterprise social network at work. So there are 6 tips in all, and they go by the acronym ASPECT, and today I'll look at the first 3 of them. So in ASPECT, the A stands for audience, and really that's a great place to start when you're thinking about making a video or really any other content. So as an example, imagine you're making a video, and if you're thinking, all right, my topic is mentoring, you or your subject matter expert might just end up with a bit of a brain dump of all the information you know about mentoring. Whereas if you approach it from the point of view of the audience, you might think, well, hang on, is my audience actually mentors or mentees? Then the S in ASPECT stands for shortness, and admittedly it's arbitrary, but I think it's good to come up with some limits and have those in mind, or some guidelines for the longest you'd want a video to be. So arbitrarily I reckon on 2 minutes for a talking head video like one of these, or 5 minutes for a how-to where you might be showing people how to use some software or some other kind of system. Then finally for today, the P in ASPECT stands for preparation, and that means things like, particularly if you're doing a how-to video and showing people things on your screen, you can do things like removing or hiding toolbars, I should say, and if you're using a browser showing a website, a really good tip that I got from Kurt Ams, originally a former colleague of mine, was to press F11 in your browser or choose view full screen from the browser menu, and that gets rid of things like the address bar and the buttons at the top and all the clutter on the screen, so it's just focusing the viewers of your video purely on the content, what you're looking at on that web page that you're demonstrating. So that's it for today in the interest of shortness, and I'll be back tomorrow with the final 3 of the 6 tips for making better videos. Thanks for watching.